How to stop lag on a Roblox laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to stop lag on a Roblox laptop. First, open the Settings app on your PC from the Start menu. From the left side menu, go to the Apps tab. Here, find Roblox or search for it in the search bar. Once you find the Roblox player, click the three dots on its right side. Then select the uninstall option. Reinstalling can fix all the issues. Next, find the Roblox Studio in the Start menu. Now, click the Run as Administrator option. In the Run window, select the %temp% command and click OK. After that, select all the data in the temp folder. Right-click on it and then delete all the files in this folder. Once deleted, the lag will be stopped on Roblox. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.